How to remove saved login info on Facebook. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily delete the saved login info on Facebook. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Facebook and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now from here you just want to head over to menu section and simply tap on the settings icon to go to your settings. And right on top you'll find your account center. So head over to that. And from here what you want to do is tap on password and security. And then from here click on save login. Now from here, choose your account that you want to remove your saved login off. I'm just going to tap on my Facebook account. So from here, you just want to turn it off and then confirm. And here at the bottom of your screen, you'll find this remove saved login info from your device cloud backup. You just want to tap on this and your saved login info will be deleted. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.